iForks is a revolutionary forklift scale from RAVAS. With iForks, you weigh pallets and containers during transport without losing time. iForks are completely wireless, no cabling at all, and can be installed on any forklift in 3 minutes. Plug and weigh. RAVAS, the world market leader in the field of mobile scale technology. RAVAS produces 17,000 mobile scales yearly for counterbalance trucks, warehouse trucks, and hand pallet trucks. Innovation is one of the pillars under RAVAS' success. iForks is the most recent development in a long tradition of product innovation. It will take weighing on forklifts to the next level. iForks come professionally packaged. Straight out of the box, anyone, anywhere in the world can install iForks on their forklift in 3 minutes. Plug and weigh. Remove the original forks. Install iForks onto the carriage plate. Install the battery modules. Switch on the forks using the blue buttons. The blinking LEDs indicate that the forks are transmitting. Mount the driver weight display in the cabin. Thanks to the RAM support, the display can be rotated, making the readout visible from any angle. Switch on the display, and in 3 minutes you've turned your forklift into a mobile scale. Plug and weigh. iForks are powered by professional battery modules, which are easily exchangeable. The modules contain standard D cells, which last from 6 months to a year, but rechargeable modules are available as an option. The blue LEDs on the forks indicate the battery status. Regular blinking means battery level is okay. Blinking twice every 10 seconds means the battery level is low. The indicator has a user menu that lets you control the power management. Use the automatic switch off when weighing only a few times per day. Use the manual switch off when weighing more frequently or for longer periods of time. iForks have been designed and built for heavy-duty applications and to endure the rough treatment that forklifts are subjected to. iForks have been tested for 1 million cycles at 125% of load capacity. iForks are fitted with a reinforced pallet stop, reinforced fork tips, and 10 mm thick fork covers to compensate for wear. iForks are used for a range of applications. By measuring shipping weights on the lift truck, labor time is reduced and immediate cost savings are realized. By using the totalizer function, the total weight loaded is continuously known, and overloading of freight trucks is avoided. In the receiving department, iForks helps you check deliveries not only for the proper goods, but also for the right amount. It contributes to efficient stock management and prevents shortages. By communicating the weight with the warehouse management system, goods are received online, and incomplete deliveries are instantly dealt with. Let iForks count for you. It will help you count parts much faster and prevents human errors. iForks calculates the weight of each part, eliminating the possibility of error, and verifying you ship the exact quantity ordered. Via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, iForks communicates with data terminals or directly with your warehouse management system or ERP software. Valuable information about material flow becomes available to the complete supply chain, online and in real time. With iForks, you integrate material flows and information flows. Are you still weighing on a floor scale? With iForks, you realize immediate cost savings. You work faster and more efficiently, prevent errors and fines, and improve client satisfaction. Would you like to know more about how to save money and work more efficiently thanks to iForks? Go to RAVAS.com and request a free demonstration on your forklift.